prestasi.
Child-Friendly Shillong, a project under Bosco Integrated Development Society, along with students of the Social Work Department of different universities and colleges, and with the Limekra Traffic Branch, organised a youth initiative campaign on the importance of wearing of helmets for the two-wheelers carrying school students. The awareness program was held at Don Bosco Square Point, Limekra, under the slogan "Protect Your Head, Protect Your Life." K. Prasad, SP Traffic, said that the Shillong Traffic Police shall be vigilant and stern action shall be taken against the violators as per the provision of law.
Kini ke program cungi minta kasih ke deh halo ke jumpa suatu pagi halo ke jumpa ni ke helmet khamtam ke khenung khana haba ke syam ke asyakan kini ngek baling baik program pada cungi khana kami ke pa ke suatu ialah ke kamram bat ke stang isim jam ibarat kan pami ke helmet hagi kun cungi